Is your business running on spreadsheets? Here's a question. When was the last time your team had to spend hours fixing a broken formula or searching for missing data? If you're nodding your head right now, you're in the right place. What if I told you that the average small business wastes over $5,000 annually on spreadsheet insufficiencies alone? In the next few minutes, I'll reveal the 3 deadly spreadsheet mistakes that are costing you thousands. I'll also show you how to eliminate them with a solution that is a game changer with your business. Mistake number 1, the 50-tab spreadsheet. Your business data is crammed into one massive spreadsheet. 20, 30, 50 tabs. It's messy and it's fragile. One broken formula can throw everything off. Your team wastes hours searching for the problem. But with Knack, you can build clean, connected systems. Now, they use relational databases to keep your data structured and stable. No more tab overload. Mistake number 2, no user permissions. Everyone on your team can edit everything. That's a recipe for disaster. One accidental delete can break a report. One overwrite can destroy key numbers. But with Knack, you can control access. You assign user roles. That means only the right people can view or edit the right data. Real quick, I want to tell you about a real business that switched to Knack. It was a healthcare company that was drowning in spreadsheets. Everything from scheduling to inventory was manual, and they were about to hire 6 new employees just to manage the chaos. Then they switched to Knack. By automating their workflows and organizing their data, they avoided those hires entirely. That's thousands of dollars saved every single month. Now, let's get back into it. Mistake number 3, manual data entry. Are you still updating spreadsheets by hand? That's just outdated. And more importantly, it's expensive. Teams waste entire days copying and pasting numbers, and you're making decisions from data that's already old. Knack updates in real time. You can automate data collection. You get live insights without the manual grind. Now let's talk about bonus mistake number 4, no version control. That one surprises most people. Spreadsheets don't have version control. If someone deletes a row or pastes over a number, it's gone. With Knack, every change is tracked. The record history feature shows what was changed and when. You can roll back if something goes wrong. It's like having an undo button for your business data. Last one, mistake number 5, no real-time dashboard. Most spreadsheets reports are outdated the moment you open them. You can't make smart decisions with stale data. With Knack, you get live dashboards, all out of the box. They update automatically, no manual refresh needed. You can see what's happening in your business as it happens. So let's recap. Bloated spreadsheets, fragile. No permissions, risky. Manual updates, that's costly. No backups, that's dangerous. No live data, slows everything down. If even one of these sound familiar, it's time for a change. Knack gives you the tools to build custom business apps. No code required. You can click the link down below to get started and try this out. But before you do this, let me know in the comment section, what are you struggling with? Also, if you want to see more about Knack and you want us to do a step-by-step video or more features about the platform, let us know in the comment section as well.